Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to English grammar classes. And once again, here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. So, today we are going to revise the lesson Prepositions from your textbook, that is, New Enjoying Grammar. The video of this topic was posted previously, in which I explained about types of prepositions, that are prepositions of place, preposition of time, and prepositions of movement. Now let us read this chapter from your textbook. Here it is written preposition of place, time and movement, which is lesson number 3. Here you can see it is written the words in color are prepositions of place. They show where someone or something is. Here are some more prepositions of place. What are they? They are in, beside, in front of, behind, next to and opposite. Now here it is written the words in color are prepositions of time. They show when things happen. Here are some more prepositions of time and they are before, after, by and during. Now here you can see it is written the words in color are prepositions of movement. They convey the idea of movement and direction from one place to another. Here are some more prepositions of movement and they are out of, down, through, round, along and past. Now let us begin with the exercises of the textbook. Let us begin with exercise number 1. Here it is written underline the prepositions and write whether they are prepositions of time, place or movement. The first one, Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5. So here on is preposition of time. Now the baby is hiding behind the curtain. So what is behind? Behind is preposition of place. Next one, the telephone rang in the middle of the night. Now middle is what? It is preposition of time. Fourth one, he ran out of the room when he saw a snake. So what is out? Out is preposition of movement. Next, he drives past the supermarket every day. So what is past? It is preposition of movement. All schools have been closed for a week. For is preposition of time. I lost my cap during the lunch break. During is what? It is preposition of time. He walked around the marble statue twice. Now around is preposition of movement. She is standing in front of the mirror. In front is what? It is preposition of place. The old man climbed down from the bus. Now what is down? It is preposition of movement. The clock is hanging above the sofa. Now what is above? Above is telling the place. So it is preposition of place. Nobody made a sound during his speech. Now what is during? During is preposition of time. Now here is exercise number 2, which will be a homework for you. So I will send the image through PDF and you are going to solve this exercise in your notebook. Here it is saying circle the correct preposition. So you will copy down the sentence and then you are going to circle it. Now let us solve exercise number 3. Here it is written complete these sentences with prepositions from the box. Here the prepositions are given in this box and we have to select the preposition from here and then we have to fill it. So here it is written though frogs spend most of their time on land. Adult frogs live in ponds, lake and puddles. Female frogs lay eggs in the water. After a few days, the small black eggs begin to change shape. They become longer. At this stage, they are called tadpoles. After a few months, the legs of tadpoles begins to develop and they begin to look different. Tadpoles breathe through their gills, which are present on both sides of their heads. Later, the gills are replaced by lungs. During this stage, they come out of the water to breathe. The tail which grew during the tadpole stage is gradually absorbed into the body. An adult frog never goes very far from the water. Frogs always need to live around damp conditions or they will die. Now let us come to exercise number 4. Here it is saying, use the correct prepositions to complete this letter. Dear Madam, my son is down with fever since yesterday. He is not in a position to attend school for a week. The doctor has advised him to take rest at home. He will be able to attend school from Wednesday, 10 January 2013. Please grant him leave for 7 days. Now, exercise number 6. This is also a homework for you. Here it is saying, underline the incorrect prepositions in each sentence and replace it with the correct one. In the sentence, the prepositions that are there, they are wrong. You need to underline those prepositions, and instead of that, what is the correct preposition that you have to write down in front. For example, in the first one it is written, can you lend your camera from my friend? So from is wrong. What is going to come? To. The next one, how many states are there on India? So on is a wrong preposition and the correct preposition is in. So this way you are going to solve this exercise in the notebook when I will send the PDF image through PDF.